Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Delicious, healthy, and easy vegan breakfasts are totally within reach. You don't have to sacrifice flavor or convenience to eat plant-based mornings, especially when you know a few simple tricks. We'll explore satisfying options that will fuel your day, proving that mornings can be both kind to animals and incredibly tasty. Get ready to transform your breakfast routine with ease and excitement, starting right now. Smoothie bowls and overnight oats are your super speedy vegan allies, offering a nutritious start without the fuss. These require minimal prep time, often just 5 minutes or less, making them ideal for even the busiest mornings. You can customize them endlessly with your favorite fruits, nuts, seeds, and even a swirl of nut butter. Enjoy a vibrant, energy-boosting meal that's both delicious and ready almost instantly. Vegan scrambles and breakfast burritos prove plant-based mornings can be savory too, offering a hearty and satisfying alternative. Tofu or chickpea flour can mimic eggs remarkably well, providing a protein-packed start without compromise. Load them up with your favorite veggies, a blend of flavorful spices, and a dash of black salt for that authentic, eggy taste. It's a comforting and robust meal to kickstart your day. Fluffy pancakes and waffles are still very much on the menu, vegan style, promising a delightful sweet treat. Simply use plant-based milks, clever egg replacers like flax eggs, and even mashed bananas for an incredible texture and richness. Drizzle your creations with pure maple syrup, an abundance of fresh berries, or a dollop of creamy coconut whipped cream. It's the perfect indulgent yet wholesome way to start a special morning. Batch prepping ingredients saves you precious morning minutes, making vegan breakfast effortless throughout the week. Consider cooking a big batch of grains like quinoa or chopping your favorite veggies on Sunday for an easy grab-and-go option. Most importantly, experiment with different flavors and textures to discover your personal vegan breakfast favorites. Have fun in the kitchen and enjoy your delicious, plant-powered mornings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.